Third graders, are you ready for your spelling test? Remember to write numbers 1 through 20 down the left side of your page so you're ready and you can follow along more easily. If you forgot to do that, stop the video now and go ahead and write those numbers for me. Remember also, you can stop the video every single word if you need to. Make sure you do your best on your spelling test and take your time. I will keep going about 4 seconds after I say each word and sentence, then I'll go to the next one. But you're welcome to pause the video just by hitting the space bar. And then hit the space bar again, and you will start right up again. Okay, number 1, dusty. The old books were very dusty. Dusty. Number 2, patch. When she hurt her eye, she wore a patch over it. Patch. Remember, those first 2 words are not on our spelling list. We are applying the rules that we've learned this week. Number 3, page. There is a picture on this page. Page. Number 4, chief. A chief is a leader. Chief. Number 5, phone. She called her mother on the phone. Phone. Number 6, quickly. He ran quickly down the block. Quickly. Remember to pause if I'm going too quickly. Number 7, gave. He gave the cat its food. Gave. Number 8, push. Push the can to the side. Push. Number 9, pretty. Her brother gave her a pretty scarf. Pretty. Number 10, 9. 9 plus 9 equals 18. 9. Number 11, live. It's also spelled the same when we say live. They live on a farm. Live. Number 12, empty. The bottle is empty. Empty. Number 13, inside. We played inside because of the rain. Inside. Number 14, strange. There was a strange house in the story. Strange. Number 15, clothes. Dad said to pick up our clothes. Clothes. Now remember that clothes is plural of cloth. We talked about that, so that's a little tip for you. Number 16, break. Don't let the plate break. Break. Number 17, change. She had to change the tire. Change. Number 18, shoes. They wore old shoes to play. And the last 2 are extra credit or challenge words. They're challenge words. Number 19, paragraph. Indent the beginning of each paragraph. Paragraph. Remember to use syllables. Paragraph, 3 syllables. See if you can spell each of them. And the last word for today is special. The teacher said it was a special day. Special. If you need to pause the video, go back a little in the video if you need to listen again. If you've missed any words, you should have 20 words written. If you're ready, we're going to go ahead and move to the next page and go over the words. Let me grab a little pen or highlighter. Let's see, I think I'll do... Every time I do this, I do it wrong. Okay, we're going to start with dusty. The old books were very dusty. Here is our first syllable, dus, and then T, we have that long E sound at the end of our second syllable, spelled with a Y. Number 2, patch. Here's the TCH, ch, that we hear at the end of a one-syllable word, patch. Page, we hear the J sound at the end of a one-syllable word, page. Chief, this is a tough one because it's I before E except after C, but this is CH, so we're still going to use I before E, chief. Phone, we're going to put a PH for the F sound, long O for phone, silent N, this is a consonant N, and silent E at the end. Quickly, here is our base word quick, remembering always that quick, that Q is spelled Q-U. And then this is a short I sound. CK is a digraph after that short I sound. It makes the K sound together. Gave, we have the long A sound here, consonant V, and then E at the end, silent E, helps the A say its name. It also keeps the V from being the final letter. Push, this was one of our sight words from before, push. Pretty, there's our first syllable, print, second syllable, T, long E sound at the end, spelled with a Y. 9, long I sound, consonant, silent E. Live or live, so the word was live, but it's spelled just like live, so I-V-E either way. If it's live, I guess the V does two jobs. The E does two jobs. It helps the I say its name, and it keeps the V from being the last letter. If it's live, the E is just protecting the V. Empty, here's, let's see, empty, long E sound spelled with a Y. Inside, a compound word, in and side, again, long I sound, consonant E. Strange, this is that long A sound, then N-G-E at the end. The E is helping the G say the J sound instead of the G sound. Without the E, it would say strang. That would be weird. Let me move myself to the other side. Clothes, and as I gave you that little tip, clothes is the plural of cloth, which clothes are made out of cloth. So we add the ES to the word clothes, cloth. Break, we have a long A sound spelled in a very unusual way with the EA here with the K at the end. Change, again, we have the long A and then NGE. The E is helping the G say a J sound as well. Shoes, one shoe, O-E, and then adding an S on the end. Paragraph, this was a tough one. I wonder if you got it. This is a schwa sound. Graph, and then the F sound at the end is spelled PH. And lastly, special. This is a special sound. We'll get more into this later, but sh in the middle of a word like this can often be spelled C-I. And then here's a sight syllable for us to start remembering, A-L, which really sounds like schwa L, special. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you did well. Make sure to take a picture of your test and turn it in, and maybe write how many you got right out of 20 at the top. Take a picture and turn it in to Seesaw to your teacher, and I will see you next week.